Unleash your inner virtuoso and craft mind-bending progressive rock anthems right within FL Studio. Our journey begins with the foundation sound selection for progressive rock. We need instruments that can convey both raw power and delicate nuance. Load up your favorite realistic drum VST for a deep, punchy kick and snare, and don't shy away from layered cymbals for that expansive feel. Then grab a versatile synth Think analog emulations with rich, evolving textures, perfect for those signature pads and lead lines. Next, let's build our guitar parts. Progressive rock thrives on intricate riffs and sophisticated melodies in the piano roll. Program a driving, palm-muted riff with syncopated rhythms, then layer it with a soaring, melodic lead line using your chosen guitar VST. Experiment with bending, vibrato, and even tapping techniques in your MIDI to replicate that virtuosic playing style. Now, let's add instrumental depth. Access your synths and program those iconic, evolving pads. Think sweeping filter envelopes and slow attack times to create atmosphere for bass. A solid, gritty synth bass or a well-sampled electric bass will anchor your track. Don't forget to add intricate keyboard melodies or soaring organ lines to further fill out the soundscape. Arrangement is key to the progressive rock experience. Break away from simple verse-chorus structures. Create distinct sections, an intro with atmospheric pads and a clean guitar, a powerful riff-driven verse, a more melodic and dynamic chorus, and then introduce instrumental breaks with intricate solos and tempo changes. Think about build-ups and breakdowns to create tension and release. Finally, let's mix these layers into an epic whole. Utilize ample reverb and delay on guitars and synths to create a sense of space and depth. Use subtle saturation on your bass to give it grit and presence. EQ each instrument to sit comfortably in the mix, ensuring no single element overpowers the others, but rather contributes to the overall sonic tapestry. Experiment with panning to spread your instruments across the stereo field, enhancing the immersive quality of your progressive rock creation. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating your own epic prog rock masterpieces in FL Studio. Dive in and let your creativity soar.